This one is weird, but cool. Ford has given 100 stores the go-ahead to build standalone Bronco dealerships.
Just Broncos, eh?
The Bronco has apparently been a big surprise for them. Well, not a surprise, but just a big success. I think they expected it to be a success.
Mm-hmm.
But
isn't Kirk going to get one?
Yeah, Kirk really wants one, but he doesn't want a sport one. He wants the real deal, which is tougher to find or maybe not even available yet. There's so many reservations. What does that say? 190,000 Bronco reservations. Holy cow! People really want this thing. Yeah, it's a cool look. Obviously, the throwback aspect, and you can find the sport ones, but not so much the straight up Bronco. There's Doug DeMuro. He got his hands on one, but
that looks cool.
Anyway, apparently the dealers came up with this idea and approached Ford and said, "Hey, would you mind if we did this? Because we're getting so much interest in the Bronco. Let's just do a Bronco dealer." And Ford thought about it, and I believe they gave it a green light. Now, if you scroll down, you can kind of get a sense for what this will be like on the inside. Demand is so high that it actually makes sense to invest the money in building a different showroom specifically for the Bronco Sport and all future models or derivatives. And as a bonus, Ford will be rewarding those dedicated Bronco dealerships with a slightly higher product allocation. So if you did this setup, then your dealership would have access to higher volume of units.
Oh.
Because you're servicing that clientele better.
Cool.
Now, if I wanted a Bronco or I was thinking about a Bronco and I rolled past the dealer and I saw that Bronco-specific setup and I went in there and visited that might be enough to seal the deal.
Really?
Just because it's different. You haven't seen it before.
Yeah, it's a cool experience.
Like, look, they got the rims on the wall and it's very outdoorsy.
Yeah. They have the vibe right.
And you can see the finishes on the left. Like, you can order it up however you like right there.
Yeah, this looks cool.
And it acts as an advertisement, like a billboard in each town or city where this is going to be, where you're like, oh, damn, they brought the Bronco back. If you're one of the only people on the planet that hasn't heard of that they brought it back, it acts as a billboard as well. So, I mean, it remains to be seen if it's going to be a hit or not. But
do you know where they're going to start first?
Seemed like a cool move to me. Let's see here. It isn't likely to be a bad strategy. Bronco reservations are converting to sales at over 65%. Bronco Sport has sold 23,000 units so far. Maybe Automotive News. The original report was on Automotive News, so maybe they are able to say where these locations are, but I don't think so. I don't know. I don't see it.
Yeah.
Be on the lookout in your local territory for a Bronco-specific dealer, but you're going to have to get to the end of the list, by the way, because there's a lot of reservations out there. It's cool either way.